The human brain controls every part of our body and consists of cells called neurons which are reported in transmitting nerve impulses to or from the brain. But how do neurons do that and what is their structure? Let's find answers for these questions.
Neurons are primary processors of neural signals and fundamental units of the brain. The main part of neuron is cell body. It makes all materials for the charge of a neuron. The cell body is composed from a number of dendrites and they can branch many times. They are the ears of neuron and gather all information. Dendrites send information to the cell body, where it's summed up and then goes through one axon. The end of the axon is branched and forms nerve ending, and each of these branches can communicate with another neuron. The neural membrane is surrounded by differently charged ions. Through special ion channels they can get into the cell and be responsible for the birth of impulse. Scientifically, it's called depolarization or the process of excitation. Positively charged ions penetrate membrane and change internal balance, whereby impulse can go further. Also exists hyperpolarization or the process of inhibition, when internal balance is restored and impulse disappears.
Different ions perform different functions. For example, sodium ions are the exciters of nerve impulse and potassium ions are inhibitors, and they are very important in processes of excitation and inhibition.
Neurons never touch each other. The place for their communication is called synapse. Synapse consists of the end of axon of the first neuron, which is called presynaptic terminal and serves as a mouth to speak. And the second part of synapse is at the beginning of the dendrite of another neuron, which is called postsynaptic terminal and serves as an ear to hear information. Within them is synaptic cleft, where information is transmitted from one neuron to another.
I'm sure that you knew that neurons can communicate with each other, but did you know that they have their own language of impulses and even can emotionalize their speech using the voices of neurons, neurotransmitters?
To say something, people use vocal cords. Neurons do the same, only the cords are called action potential. Action potential is an excitatory impulse which opens ion channels. Ions are necessary in transmitting nerve impulse further. Neurotransmitters are the voices of neurons, sit in special vesicles. And when action potential reaches the presynaptic terminal, this vesicle merges with the cell membrane and releases the neurotransmitter to the synaptic cleft. The mission of the first neuron is completed, and now the second neuron is all ears. Its membrane is covered with receptors. Receptors analyze incoming transmitters, and if it was excitatory impulse, it's transmitted to the next neuron, and if it was inhibitory impulse, it stops.
How the brain works is still a big mystery for scientists, but I hope that soon we'll be able to break open this mechanism. Thank you.